the way, all the way from Nairobi to Nakuru. But unfortunately, we just came to this place here. So this guy will tell us he's Kenyan, so he will tell us more about this place. What is the name of the place?
Washcom City.
Washcom.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long is from this place now to Nakuru?
From Nakuru to like 7 kilometers.
7 kilos. That's around 1 hour.
Yeah.
Guy. So guys, this is the place. This guy is selling some things here. Maybe you come to Washcom when you're going to Nakuru next time, so that you can go and check it out. You know, like come here, come and eat. There's mayai, which is egg, a lot of things, mandazi, and all those. So they call them like that in Kenya. So we are going like to make this one. So next time, can you tell these people like it's a Kenyan like in Swahili for them to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel?
You can unaweza subscribe channel yake itakuwa.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Joseph Kamuas on Facebook.
Okay, Joseph.
TikTok, Joseph Kamuas.
Oh, Joseph Kamos.
On YouTube, Joseph Kamuas still.
You also have you have YouTube. Oh, you create content.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great, man. Sawa, thank you, man. Yeah.